twinkle little star on the guitar with Smiley Note. Hello everyone, it's time to play our first song, but first you need to download and print free tab so we can play together. So grab your guitar and let's go. Let's have a look at the tab. The numbers are only on E string. Where is E string? This E string on the bottom, this very high skinny string, right here. We're going to prepare the pick or our thumb of our right hand to strum the string, E. The first number on the tab is 0. There's 0 and then 0, so we're going to strum a string by itself. Then we need to count fret number 7 and prepare our finger there. 6 and 7 right here, you see? And let's play. 0, 0, 7, 7, 9, 9, go back to 7th fret. Then it's 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, and 0, open string. 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 0, 0, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2,